Hello, welcome to Tahila Graphic. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to place our designs on a mock-up. Now we have a product package, as you can see, product package mock-up. So that's what we are going to learn. All right, let's go. So we go to File and we click Open. So we are going to take one of them. So let's take this. This is the Photoshop file mockup file. Okay, so we double click it. So we go again, we open, we double click, and the file opens. So we go to the layer panel and we see the top side, the left side, and the front side. Right, so we start with the top side. You double click the thumbnail. Okay, then you click on the eye icon. Then you go back to File and click Place Embedded and look for the top side design. We place. Okay, we stretch it and we stretch it here. Then we click on the good icon and click here shift to close it. Okay, then you say yes. So as you can see, the top side is already embedded. All right, we go to the left side. You double click the thumbnail. Okay, and click on the eye icon. Then go back to File and click Place Embedded. So we look for the side and we place. And you click on the good. All right, you select it again, shift this a little. Okay, I will click. Then we click on the and we say yes. The side is already embedded. Then finally we go to the front side. We double click the thumbnail and we click on the eye icon. Then go back to File and we click Place Embedded. We click on the front side and we place. We stretch and we stretch here. And we say okay. And we click as if to close it up and we say yes. So our product package is ready. So this is one of it done with Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Yeah, welcome back. The first tutorial showed us how to place mockup on Photoshop. Now we are going to learn how to place mockup on Photopea. This application is applicable to smartphone users. So if you are a smartphone designer, this is the application you will use to place your designs on Mockup. So let's go. You go to File and you click Open. Okay. So just like in Photoshop, you have your top side, you have your left side, you have your front side. Okay. So we start with the top side. Okay. You click on the eye icon. You go back to File and you now click on Open and Place. But in Photoshop, it is Place Embedded. So in Photopea, we have Open and Place. You click on it and you click on your top side. So we stretch here and you click OK. All right. Then you click here, Shift to close it. Say OK. We start again. Open and place. Yeah. I've seen where we missed it. So we correct it now. Okay. All right. You stretch it a little. Okay. And you go to File again and you click on Save Smart Objects. This is where we missed it before. All right. So we click on Save Smart Objects. And you click as if to close it up. You see. All right. We go to the left side now. You double click and you click the eye icon. Then place, open and place. You click on the side design and we have it. You click and we click. Okay. Stretch it a little. Okay. And we say okay. All right. Then you go to and click on Save Smart Object. Okay. Then we go to the final one, the front side. You double click. You click on the eye icon. You go to File and you click on Open and Place. We stretch and we stretch here. Okay. Then we click on Save Smart Object. Okay. And we click as if to close it. So we have it. Okay. So from here you can change the background. Okay. You can change the floor. All right. Okay. So that is it. This is how to place your mockup with Photopea. Thank you for watching.